I bought a full face budget makeup for you guys. So today it is gonna be a full face makeup haul. So, do you want me to blabber about how happy I am about this makeup products, or you want to skip right into the video? For the second option, you need to subscribe. Okay, jokes apart, I am excited. This is gonna be a long video, so let's start. So this was my full face under 500 budget makeup haul. Make sure to comment in the comment section, do you want me to make a series about it? Yeah, so smash the like button if you find this video helpful. Subscribe because we are going slow with the subscriber count. Yeah, support me because working really hard. I'll try to keep you updated with fashion and beauty videos every week. It's summer, guys. I am literally switching off the fan and making videos for you guys. So yeah, that's it with today's video. I love you guys.